If you just open Voice Memo app on your iPhone and if you accidentally delete any of the voice memo, then how do you recover the deleted voice memo from your iPhone or iPad? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to recover deleted voice memo or lost voice memo on your iPhone or iPad. In order to recover deleted voice memo on your iPhone, you have to first of all open voice memo, and after that, if you see this page or recordings, then you have to go back. And in order to go back, you have to slide left like this, or you can also tap on the back icon here on the top left, and after that you will be on the home page of Voice Memos, and there you will find the recently deleted folder, and that folder will contain all the accidentally deleted recent voice memos. So just tap on that to open the folder, and after that you may recover the deleted voice memos from here. Let's suppose you want to recover this one, so you have to tap on this, and after that you'll get these options: recover and delete. If you tap delete, this will delete it permanently, but in order to recover you have to tap on recover and then recover recording again, and that will just bring back the deleted voice memo on your iPhone. You may go back, and under all recordings you will find the deleted one, which is now available in all recordings. So this is how you recover the deleted voice memos on your iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful, and by the way, if you want to recover deleted voicemails on your iPhone, make sure you tap on this video to learn how to do that. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.